What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. All finished up. Looks great. Actually, haven't even started. So yeah, it's kind of nice showing up to a place that I mean, just right in the entryways and stuff. You can see a little bit of shadowing there. But it's nice showing up to a place, especially when you just get done with a job that's pretty much a restoral cleaning. And then you show up to a place like this too. It's just, you know, you're freshening it up, you're cleaning it up, you're getting that rinse, making it good for the new tenants with that security of having clean carpets. And yeah, that one thing about it though, it's a lot of stairs. You know me, I don't like stairs. But these stairs are going to be very easy. I'm not complaining. So, when I walk into a place, first thing I ask the customer is, well, I say this over the phone, but I didn't have a chance to. And this is to a property management that uses me from time to time. And so, when we met up here, I asked them, did you know if they had any pets or pet problems? She said she didn't think so. They took pretty good care of the carpets. And I'm noticing that's true. Okay. Being this is a property management, I didn't offer carpet protection. Definitely not going to have to do an odor enzyme. So my point is, guys, I know that a lot of people feel weird, and so they book an appointment. They're new in the business, right? And they're blessed to have a job. They're just have some work, right? So they go in there and they bust their butt to clean those carpets as good as they can. But they're a little hesitant on bringing up any services that the customer might need, because they don't want to feel like they fit into that bait and switch kind of thing. So you show up and you want to clean. Oh, look at this view. You show up to clean the carpets, right, over the phone, but when you show up, you may notice some pet problems, or you may show up and you smell odor. And just to let you know, guys, I mean, you can, as soon as you wet that carpet, if you have dog odor, it's just going to pop up more, and you're not going to eliminate the odor. You're going to need to do an enzyme. So if you walk into the home and you do your cleaning, you're a little nervous about bringing up an additional service, and you leave, and then the customer calls you up and says, well, I don't know, you cleaned it, but my carpets still smell like dog. Well, guess what, guys? That's on us. So here's an example. You go to the dentist, all right? You got a toothache right in the front. You go to the dentist. All right, they do their inspection. They fix your tooth. You go home. 2 days later, you got 2 more teeth that are bothering you in the back. And then you call the dentist and you say, I went in there and got my tooth fixed, but you guys didn't tell me about the 2 back teeth that needed attention too. So whose fault is that? That's the dentist. I mean, they should see a problem and let you know. If they just see a problem, they just don't tell you because, I don't know, they have their own reasons. So look at it this way, guys. It's all in perspective. You're not selling them anything. You're offering services they need, or they might need. Okay? You're offering them services so you can have the better results in the end. These people they call you to get their carpets cleaned, but if you go in there and clean their carpets, but you don't address a odor problem, then they're not going to be happy. And that's understandable, right? So it's better to offer the service, say deodorizing. Say you see a red stain there, and it's not going to come out unless you steam it. And don't do that for free, guys. You gotta charge for that, because you gotta stop everything and have full attention on that, right? Like bring out the steamer, hit it with the red wand, You know, a lot of times you can hit it with the red wine and it will disappear over time, but most of the time, no, you're gonna have to bring out the steamer. Okay, so you see there's a red stain there. You see there's odor, right? Let them know on the walkthrough or as soon as you notice it. Yeah, I noticed that there's a smell in this back room, and it's probably not going to come out with the cleaning. The only way we're going to really get this out is to do an enzyme on it. So I'm just letting you know on that. If you guys want to add that, we can do that. So if they decline it, well, hey, you offered it. They declined it. So if they're not happy later, then that was their call. But at least you let them know. If you wouldn't have let them know, they wouldn't have been happy later, and it would have been your fault. So it's all about putting things in perspective. You're not selling people anything. You're giving them what they need. So maybe that'll make you feel a little bit more comfortable about offering services when you get in there. You'll make a lot more money too when you do that. You'll find out. You'll go in there for a $100 job and walk out of there with $200. And it's not about the money. Offering the services, and it costs so much per service. Okay. So I'm not a salesman, never been a salesman. I tried salesman jobs for years and years and years, growing up here and there, you know. And I'm not good at selling somebody else's product that I don't believe in. I mean, it's something different about having your own business and putting 100% into it, and knowing that you're going above and beyond on your services. So it's very easy to sell yourself on that, you know. You just let them know, you know. I do a very thorough carpet cleaning, 100% money back guarantee. I've never had to give money back, guys. And when you believe in your service that much, and you know that you're doing whatever you can to get that carpet as clean as possible, and then you're offering services, you're not selling them anything, you're just offering. So it's easier. But it's all in perspective. If you go in there and you're just thinking about upselling, money, upselling, well, you're not going to feel too comfortable about doing that. So anyway, I hope that helps some of the new guys coming in to the business, even the older school people. You know, people are calling me and they're actually restructuring their business because they've just been doing the same thing for years and years, and they're not making enough money, and they're taking way too long, and they're watching my videos and other people's videos and saying, you know what, I got to change things up a little bit. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this carpet, and it's very, very simple. I'm just gonna be pre-spray a little bit of scrubbing here and there, and extract, and I'm done. So have a good one. You know the routine. Please like, subscribe, comment. Oh, and one other thing. I like to give a special shout out to all my subscribers and continuing subscribers that are always thumbs up in me. And I want to give one special shout out to. So I think I got one subscriber that just within an hour of me upload, I always depend on that one thumbs down. And I know it's a subscriber because it's so predictable. I may have hundreds of views and just one thumbs down. Sometimes I'll get two, but that usually happens a little later if I get another one. But it's very predictable. So I want to give a shout out to my thumbs down guy. So all my positive people out there, thumbs up guys, do me a favor on this video. Give a thumbs up on it. Okay, just go ahead and do that. Just to kind of give a shout out to that thumbs down guy. I want to see a ton of thumbs up on this video. If you watch it to the end, it's not gonna hurt you just to put that thumbs up. All right, have a good one.